Explore the serene lifestyle offered by this elegantly upgraded ranch-style home at 16625 190th Avenue Southeast, Renton, Washington. Featuring 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, this residence is perfectly nestled among majestic Pacific Northwest evergreens. A long, private driveway introduces a charming front porch and expansive gravel court, providing plentiful parking. The heart of the home, the living room, presents a classic brick fireplace, hardwood floors, and oversized windows. Enjoy the convenience of major recent upgrades, including a newer roof, windows, and siding, along with a built-in electric vehicle charger and whole house backup generator for modern living. The backyard is a haven with raised garden beds, a fire pit area, and a vast, detached shop, ideal for hobbyists and creators. Call Chris Gurney at 206-949-0864 for a private tour.